everybody, so we have a new Tame Wild unboxing that I'm going to be doing. And again, if anybody likes what they see, there will be a 10% off link that you can use because the awesome folks there have given me that. So here is the card with all the goodies on it, which I'm not going to read off until after. So it looks like for our May, we got this really neat card pouch. Oh, I love owls. We got a little owl planter. And oh, what's this? Oh, cool. I love pins. Oh, that is so nifty. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, that will be definitely going on my purse or on one of my book bags. So here's our little owl planner. How cute is that? It's a white ceramic planner. You can see it there. And we've got this cool little bag. Let's see what's in it. Please forgive the no face. I just really get into these and don't. Oh, it's a nice piece of clear quartz. That is really pretty. I love the rainbowy shine on it. Gorgeous. Right. Then we have some seeds. And they are wildflowers. This is awesome, guys. This is a great way to bring bees into your garden to help them pollinate. And I was totally unaware that this month's packet was going to include red poppies, which are some of my favorite plants. Poppies are just gorgeous and they smell really lovely. Right, excuse the big chunky arm in the way. We also have this cute little cactus sticker, which I love. They look like nopales cactus. If you've ever had nopales ice cream, it's really good. And then we have our delicious artisan herbal tea, which has fennel seed, fenugreek, licorice root, and peppermint leaf. All of those are really good for digestives. So yeah, at this time of the year, when everybody's out barbecuing and stuff, this is a really fun thing. Oh, and my little guy is blessing our unboxing with his adorable presents, by the way. All right, guys, so this is going to be a double unboxing. I'm going to stop it here and open up our June box. Unbox our June box from Tame Wild. Please excuse the explosive noise. So as you can see, we've got our card here with all of the items in the box. And again, guys, this is a really good deal. Considering it's only about $25 per month. So it comes with a card talking about Lu, the Celtic sun god, and a little bit of a history of Lunasa. So if you follow the Wheel of the Year, this is definitely something to check out. Then there is this gorgeous altar cloth. It's a really pretty shade of green. My lighting isn't doing it justice, but it's kind of somewhere between a pea green and a pearlescent green. Then we have a little bottle and a pipette. This, guys, is so useful, and it's kind of like a mini turkey baster if you've ever used one of those in the kitchen. It is great for transporting liquid items of spell work into things like this little bottle here, and just overall really good general use, all-purpose tool. Then we have, of course, something that those of us who go to Ren fairs or have been to our local apiary know and love, honey sticks. These things are wicked, but they're wicked good. Then we have another really gorgeous succulent sticker. The one from May was the nopales cactus. This is a little succulent plant, and I love the color pattern. It's kind of this really pretty purple green. Then we have desert roses. For those of you who don't know what these are these really pretty little stones that have a unique rosette appearance to them. And again, apologies for my fingers being chunky and not wanting to go into the bag. So this is what they look like, and they just have like that tumbleweed sort of, but at the same time kind of almost flower blossom like look to them that's really interesting and intriguing. And then we have some Oh, we have a cork for our little bottle. Cute. And then we have our calendula flowers. Now these I love because you can do so much with them. These can be used in incenses, in bath water, in so many different ways. So this is just really a fun box and a really great representation of that solar energy. So now I'm going to look at both of my little cards here to make sure that everything was what was described. And looking here with me, you can see we have the calendula, the apothecary bottle, the honey stick, the pipette, the desert rose, the altar cloth, and the card. And then for the May box, we have the wildflower seeds, the owl planter, the earthly spirits tea, which by the way, guys, smelled absolutely delicious. The ritual stones, which are the regular quartz crystals, but they were really nice pieces and they actually had a really good energy to them. The pin, the botanical sticker, and the botanical zipper bag. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you like what you see, in the description box below, there is a link that will get you 10% off your purchases at Tamed Wild.